Law from a legal assistant's point of view, week 51. Should you be a legal assistant? One question you might be asking yourself if you have been reading my blog for the past year is, should I be a legal assistant? Well, even if you are not asking yourself this question, I will answer it anyway because it is something that I do not merely feel but know that I am more qualified now to address, and that I won't get fired for addressing honestly. If you want to know if you should be a legal assistant, consider how you would answer the following questions. Do I want to learn more about what it is like to be a lawyer? If yes, then you would likely benefit from being a legal assistant. With that in mind, if I do not want eventually to be a lawyer myself, I would not gain as much from my job as a legal assistant. Many times, legal work can be a thankless job, even for attorneys. So if you have no curiosity about what it is like to be a lawyer or what it means to work in a law practice, you can make the same money doing a different, less demanding job than that of a legal assistant. Am I willing to humble myself and learn another culture and dialect, so to speak? The legal profession can feel like landing in a foreign country when you first start. It has its own culture and its own language. And even though we're still speaking English, with a little Latin mixed in, and living within a few miles of each other, the language and culture of the law is shockingly foreign, as is the case with learning and succeeding in any new culture and with any new language. You become immersed and fluent. That requires humility and patience. If you have those two things coupled with an honest desire to work, you will do all right. Are you willing to make a lot of mistakes, get the wrong answer to questions, and learn from where you are wrong? The mark of a good lawyer, and by extension a good assistant, is the ability to admit when one is in the wrong and to acknowledge that being in the wrong is often the result of being ignorant. The best work we can do comes when we are willing to make mistakes and report the mistakes, not waiting for our mistakes to be discovered, admit to the mistakes, and then learn from these mistakes so that we don't repeat them. The faster and better you can do all that, the better legal assistant you will be.